What's poppin', peeps? I'm Lady Luck, aka the Street Prophet. For those of you who don't know, I speak about real issues in our society with a twist of comedy. Let's dive right in. This is EDS, Everyday Situations, Motivation with a twist of comedy. To all my up north family and friends, y'all weather down here in my yard drunk. I'm gonna need for y'all to come down here and get it. I don't know who this is for, but if you got liability insurance, stay your ass off the road. This weather is for full covered vehicles only. I'm pretty sure I just heard the IRS plug up them printers. Speaking of that, my tax return was so small last year that the lady from H&R Block took the money out her bra. I don't know which one of my cousins need to hear this, but I don't care how hard you got your arms folded on that business flyer. You ain't doing my taxes. I just checked my account balance at the ATM and it printed me out a coupon for ramen noodles. These bills been coming more than me lately. Something's gotta give. I hate a nigga who recount his money in public every 3 minutes. It's still $65. You know what I noticed? We've been eating black-eyed peas and greens for 40 years, and we still broke. Speaking of that, dear cougars, you do not have to make greens with every meal. I don't know which one of my women's cousins this is for, but if I date your baby daddy, the kids is mine, and I don't want you around our family. Fellas, this is a PSA. If she can bend over and twerk for social media, she can bend over and put air in her tires. Oh, and another thing, fellas. Cash App her some money for a Brazilian wax and label it meal prep. Y'all can thank me later. Ladies, this is a PSA. I don't give a fuck how much Gucci you wear, sis. Yo nigga still cheating with the hoes that wear rainbow clothes. Oh, and another thing, ladies, now that y'all took the time out to tell Tyler Perry how bad his wigs look, keep that same energy and tell your friends. Speaking of wigs, chicks will spend $500 on their hair and then ask, who coming to get me? Bitch, Lee's Beauty Supply. Lord, the red dress and high heels that Johnny Gill told us women to slip on, these men out here wearing them. Megan Thee Stallion is 5'10". Talking about
handle me? Who gon' handle me?
Bitch, the Falcons. We need help on defense. Something else I noticed. Y'all get them bodies done and delete every picture from when you was shaped like a Chevy Equinox. Ladies, if your stomach bigger than your ass, you need to turn your life around. Niggas be like, you better ask about me. I did. They said you be begging for cigarettes. Ladies, some of y'all need to impeach that nigga out your house. Speaking of that, fellas, it's getting cold outside. Keep the peace if your name ain't on a lease. One more thing, fellas. Some of y'all own friends be liking your girl more than you do. On a more serious note, ain't no coming back from certain shit. And I think people really just don't understand that. Removing yourself from shit that repeatedly triggers your mental health and hurts your heart is top tier love and respect. I'm just gonna leave y'all with this. We living in a world where Satan doesn't even hide anymore. And the world still can't see him. Alright, cuzzies, that was cool or whatever. Y'all know I love kicking it with y'all, but I gotta bounce. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you smash that like, share, and subscribe button before you bounce. I would love to have you as a sub. Anywho, I'm sending you all cyber love, peace, and good vibes y'all way. Until next time, y'all take care, make sure you drink some water, and make sure you mind the business that pays you. Anywho, it's your favorite cousin, Lady Luck, aka the Street Prophet, aka the Highway Honey. Until next time.